Finally, I'm not a rat. I've never ratted in my life. I faced assassination attempts. I faced imprisonments. I've always been a man of crisis. Today I'm not ratting, but I'm leaving your Security Council. I find it disgraceful to my person and to my country to remain here a moment longer than necessary. But I'm not boycotting. Impose any decision. Have a treaty worse than the Treaty of Versailles. Legalize aggression. Legalize occupation. Legalize everything that has been illegal till 14th or 15th of December 1971. I will not be a party to it. We will fight. We'll go back and fight. My country hearkens for me. Why should I waste my time here in the Security Council? I will not be a party to the ignominious surrender of part of my country. You can take your Security Council. Here you are. I'm going.
I thank the Deputy Foreign Prime Minister and Foreign Minister of Pakistan for his statement.